Hello, this is movable stand for VGB3. How to install this movable stand? First is to install 4 wheels with the bottom plate. Bottom plate have holes at the corners. Put the bolts down. Each wheel also have 4 holes. The bolts goes through the plate and the wheels. Tighten the nuts. After install 4 wheels with the bottom plate. Then we install 4 frames. Connect the bottom plate and frame by bolts. After bolted 4 frames, then install the middle plate. Then the top plate. The top plate have bolts hole here. Use bolts to install all the plate. Then the movable stand is installed.